What's up, people? Today I got a special video for y'all. Today we're going to be checking out the newly released Deity V-Mic D4. Now this mic was just released today, so I want to give a big shout out for Deity for sending this out for me early to check out. Definitely excited about it, so let's go ahead and get into the box. So this is a universal shotgun mic. Comes with a ton of features, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, let you know what comes with it, and then of course, you know, we're gonna test this thing out to see how it sounds. So first, you're presented with the actual mic itself. Comes with the shock mount, comes with a little windscreen there. Let me take it out of this, take it out the shock mount for a second. Well, if you're looking at the shotgun mount, it's a nice little build to it. Doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel plasticky at all. So has your hot shoe mount on there if you want to attach it to the top of your camera. Okay, that's pretty cool. Your little rubberized windscreen right there, the Deity logo on it. And then you have your shotgun mic. Now what's cool about this shotgun mic, you can manually adjust your gain on the back of the mic, which is pretty cool. But my favorite feature of the mic is that it has a USB-C input, and that's something that you normally don't see on these type of mics. But this mic can actually even hook up to your computer to be used as a USB mic if you're doing a live stream or anything like that. So a really, really versatile mic. And I didn't even mention this yet. This is only about $100. So if this sounds good, it's probably going to be one of the new go-tos for any type of content creator, even if you're a vlogger, a YouTuber, or if you're doing video production, anything like that. So as you can see, you have your battery door. It takes one single AAA battery. And another cool thing about this mic is I've dealt with these type of mics before, and the one thing that I always hate is that you gotta remember to turn it off when you've done recording. It's been plenty of times I went to record and I'm like, dang, this is still on. I left it on from the last time. This actually has a built-in feature where when you turn your camera off, it turns the mic off. So you don't really have to worry about draining your battery by forgetting to turn it off. Something that your normal manufacturer wouldn't even think about. You know, the people at Deity, they're always gearing their gear towards content creators. So definitely appreciate that they added that. And it also says that it can run on one battery for up to 60 hours. So of course, I'm not gonna be able to test that out right now, but we're just gonna take their word for it. One battery should last you about 55 to 60 hours, which is a lot. So they even include the AAA battery that you need with it. And then it comes with 3 different cables. So let's go over these 3 different cables. So they all have the USB-C, which is the side that you're gonna plug in to the mic, of course. But then on these 2 sides, one is a USB-C to USB-C. So this is the one you can use to hook up to your cell phone. This is the one you can use to hook up to your computer if you want to use it for like a podcast or a live stream or something like that. So that's what you would use that cable for. But then these 2, so I'm assuming, because they both look the same as far as the lines, you know, they have the TRS and then the TRRS. They're both the same, so we're going to test them out to see, because you know, normally there'd be one for a camera and then a different type for like a cell phone, if your cell phone still has a headphone jack. So we're gonna test these both out to see which is what. They both look the same, but I'm pretty sure one is TRS and the other one is TRRS. All right, so now I got it hooked up to this camera here. On the back, the gain knob goes from -5 up to 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it at about, let's just set it at 5 right now. That's about somewhere near the midpoint. So we're gonna set it at 5 and get a test of the audio. So what you're hearing right now is the quality from the Deity D4. So one thing that I noticed about the mic is when I plugged it up to the camera was on. The mic did not turn on. As soon as I hit the record button, the mic turned on, which is a even better layer of battery saving. So even if you have your mic plugged up and your camera is on but not recording, the mic turns off, which is, like I said, an even better level of battery saving. So I can see how they can achieve that long battery life. And as you can see here, once it's recording, I don't know, make sure you can see that there's a green indicator light that lets you know that it's recording and that the mic is on. And then as soon as I end the record, the mic goes off. even though the camera is still on. So that is really cool. All right, so now I'm gonna plug it up to my phone. I don't have a mount to attach this to, so I'm just gonna hold it with my hand. But I have it hooked to the phone through the USB to USB. So let's give it a try. So right now I'm recording through the USB on the phone directly into the Deity D4 mic using the handheld shotgun. So if you had like a camera mount that has a hot shoe adapter on it, throw this on top and it's taking your whole film production to another level. Now again, I haven't heard any of this yet, but if this mic sounds good, then I'm definitely going to say this is probably one of the essential pieces of tech that you need to add to your box. So versatile that you can use it with your cell phone, you can use it with your camera, you can use it as a USB mic on your computer. And for $99, I don't want this to sound like I'm trying to sell y'all this product, but if it's good, it's good. Like, I just gotta be honest with y'all. Like, I'm gonna switch to let you see the setup that I have to use now. So right now I have to plug in to a $400 Zoom H8. So I'm plugged into the Zoom, which is plugged in to my shotgun mic, and it's a pain. So the fact that I'm able to just plug this into the camera and hit record will take my video production time to a different level. So I'm curious to see what y'all think about the sound quality of this mic. So what I want y'all to do is go down in the comment section right now. Let me know, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I'm curious to hear. Again, this is the Deity D4, available today. I'll have the links down in the description if you want to check it out. But other than that, that's it. Again, shout out to Deity for letting me check this out early. And of course, I had to bring it to y'all as soon as possible. So be the first on the top of the new trends. If it sounds good to you, go ahead and grab it. Thanks for watching. Peace.